Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing a monitor. So we're unboxing the Asus MG278 gaming monitor.
So it has a 1 millisecond response time. It's a 1440p monitor, and it has a 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's a 2070.
So the monitor stand, it's able to rotate and you can easily detach the screen from it. The monitor also has Nvidia G-Sync and AMD Freesync. So then if you have either of those graphics cards, it would be compatible and you could get the most out of your monitor. Let's open it now.
Okay.
The monitor looks kind of heavy, so we're gonna take it out and then we'll be back. So we took out everything from the box. The monitor is pretty heavy.
So this is the stand. Let me just turn this around. So this came in a separate box. You have to screw it in, so it can go that way and this way. And the cool thing about this, you raise it up and then you can just turn it around, and it's a vertical monitor also. So you can just do that, and there you go. You got your vertical monitor. Put it up. Like that. Push it down. And you can also tilt it up or down.
Over here, there's some wires and other things that keep. So here's a CD about the monitor. It's a CD about the monitor. And then a lot of wires came. So here's the power cable for it. A DVI to DVI cable. An HDMI to HDMI cable. A DisplayPort cable to a DisplayPort cable, and then a Thunderbolt cable to USB. So the ports this thing has is it has one Thunderbolt, 2 USBs, one DVI, 2 HDMIs, 1 DisplayPort, and 1 auxiliary cable port. So here's the cable stuff. So we're gonna now connect it to a laptop. So now we're back setting up the monitor. So we've connected it using an HDMI to a Lenovo Yoga 910. So since this thing doesn't have an AMD or Nvidia graphics card in it, it has Intel integrated graphics, I'm pretty sure. So it won't be able to take advantage of like the full monitor in a way for gaming.
And it has the FPS counter, which we have not turned on. The game visual is actually very cool because there's like different modes, scenery, cinema, like lots of modes in it, and then you can just choose.
So over here you could see that if you go up to where is it? Game visual, you can see the modes over here. So right now it's on scenery mode. So I can change it to racing, cinema mode, RTS, RPG mode, and others. So let's just use it to FPS mode because why not? And then that. So now let's go. So I'm just gonna do this here so I can kind of see. Minecraft. Let's just go into this world. So we're gonna just rotate this. Yeah. So
you guys see there.
You guys can see here. So you guys can see that it's probably pretty smooth, right? Yeah. It's pretty smooth, and since it's a widescreen monitor, you can it's pretty good for gaming. Since it also has the 144 Hz refresh rate, that's probably why it's also pretty smooth.
And this noise comes from here, not from there. So this
it doesn't have built-in speakers. So this monitor is very cool. It's gonna be very good for gaming, and we're gonna use it for we're gonna do an upcoming PC build. So we're gonna use that for our gaming PC. So this thing is very cool. So, oh, you like it?
Yes, I do.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.
Bye.